Welcome to today's vlog. Today I'll be showing you how to train your legs. So I'm going to be doing 5 different exercises. Exercise number 1, Hex Squat. Exercise number 2, leg extension. Exercise number 3, deadlift. I'm using a machine, so I'm going to do it on a hamstring machine with a neutral grip. Exercise number 4, lying leg curl. Exercise number 5, I'm going to do a seated hip adduction. So why am I here to make this video today? Because number 1, leg training is actually super important, because when you have difficulty to bend down like that and pick up objects, or if you find that going for a short walk, going for a short hike, and you are very tired, you need to strengthen your legs. And the last most important thing for training your legs, if you have a stronger leg, you have a better posture. You won't be slouching because your legs are stronger. So when your legs are stronger, you have the ability to be standing upright and holding your body in position. So stay tuned to find out more. I'll be showing you how to train your legs. So I'm actually going to be starting on the first exercise, which is the Hex Squats. It's actually a modified machine squats, which is very good to be training your quads, your quadriceps, which is the front part of your thighs. And number 1, this machine is quite stable. So if you do not have the stability to do a regular barbell squats, you would want to try this. I would suggest you to start with a very light weight to warm up and slowly build your form and confidence. So the first key point for this exercise is that you want to push your knees as far as you can go past your toes without feeling like a strain in your knees or your ankles. So you need to play around and test with the different positions of your feet. So for me, I have a relatively good knee flexion and ankle flexion, which allows my knees to go relatively far past my toes. And one more reason why do I use the band on top of the Hex Squat is because it helps me to get a much more overloaded position when I fully come up to the top. So example, if I'm doing 100 kg, when I fully straighten my legs at the top, I'm feeling the full 100 kg of the load. So this is one thing I tried to improvise the Hex Squats. So if you do not have a Hex Squat in your gym, you could put like maybe a 10 kg plate beneath your feet and try to do the same movement, but it will not be the same. But try it, let me know. So this is actually a bended leg extension, which I like to do for my quadriceps, which is the front part of my thighs. The reason I bended it because I want to make it much harder when you fully extend at the top. Because number 1, this machine does not allow me to increase my tension at the top. So I added bends for that. So if you find that you're not too strong for it, try a smaller bend. So this is actually a stiff leg deadlift. Traditionally, you would want to be using a barbell or a dumbbell, but currently I like this setup, which I'm using a hamstring, I don't know what they call it, maybe a freestanding lower body machine. So I elevated the feet a little bit to get me a little bit more higher, and because I feel that using this machine I can get a little bit more output and be more stable. So this is a lying leg curl, which traditionally I think you can see it quite common in most gyms. The reason why I put a pad beneath my hip flexors is where you can see I'm using a foam pad there, because number 1, this machine is not angle curved enough, so I wanted a little bit more steeper curve, that's why I did that. So my last exercise for today is a very simple seated hip adduction. Number 1, I just want to train my inner thighs, and also I feel that this is something that is quite underrated and people do not train it enough. So you should actually train this if you want a stronger squats and lower body. So we've come to the end of today's episode of my leg training series. I've done a series of chest, back, shoulder, and legs. So the last of my training series is going to be arms. Then I'll be talking a little bit on how can you start your fitness journey in 2022. So I've been recording my YouTube videos for a while because the whole idea is, number one, I want to create more content for you guys to try and get yourself to work out, get yourself to go into the gym, get yourself to get stronger, fitter and healthier. So for those who have been watching my content for a while, please like, share, comment and also give me some feedback on future content you want to see. And also, if you're in Singapore, alright, I'm offering personal training services in town. So I have a few gyms that I freelance and train my clients at. One is at Bugis, one's at Farrer Park. So if you want to get in your best shape of your life in 2022, don't wait. Start now. Message me on Instagram, RAWRFITNESS, or drop me an email at chiroderek@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.